So, you are thinking of starting a business, are you? That's amazing news! It is going to be your own valuable asset, not to mention that you don't need others to pester you about deadlines because let's face it, you are the boss. The phrase does have a nice ring to it, doesn't it? But like any other thing, starting a business isn't easy. Most people think that starting a business is a walk in the park because you become your own boss. Well, success is possible only if you are passionate about the business. It's not an easy task, and you need to have patience, determination, boldness, hard work, and persistence. Apart from these, you need to have a few other things as well. Welcome to our channel, and we are here to tell you 5 things that you absolutely need before you start a business. Let's get into it. 5. Surround yourself with supportive people. More than half give up within 5 years of starting their own business, which isn't unexpected. While building a company, there are going to be many uncertainties along the way. Finding those who have made this journey before can help set you up for success. Networking with other professionals in your industry, attending industry-specific workshops and events, and reaching out to thought leaders in your industry can help you learn their approach. It may be tempting to start and fuel a business all on your own, but there is no harm in taking that extra bit of help from a person who has already excelled in this path. It is also important to keep supportive friends and family by your side. Failures can hit hard, but like most successful entrepreneurs, you cannot give in to a downward spiral. You will be needing people who will remind you of your goals constantly and help you out mentally and financially when needed. 4. Build a solid business plan and a target audience. This one is quite understandable, so you wake up and you think of starting a business. What is your business going to be about? Who are going to be your customers? In fact, this particular thing needs to be done in 2 steps. First, build a business plan. This will act as your checklist while you are starting your business. Put together a mission statement, a description of your business, and the products or services you are going to be focusing on. Any successful business needs loyal customers to grow. If your customers are happy, they will spread the good word about you, and as a result, your business will expand. Which is why it is important to spend time in understanding what your customer demographic is. Watch competitors, talk with similar businesses, browse your competitors' website, and understand what their customers are saying about them on social media. This will help you to figure out the problems they are facing at this moment, put together a plan so that you can solve them, and lay out the discounts and services you can offer. Making your customers a priority will bring you the profits you dreamt of. 3. A marketing plan with proper timing. Most startups launch even though they have no earthly idea about how they are going to get their products or services out there. As a result, they spend a lot of time spinning their wheels. Your marketing plan needs to take into account what your business is about, online and offline marketing services, and a good share of budget kept aside for marketing only. Let's assume you do have a marketing plan in place. However, the industry in which you have started your business isn't booming right now. This is why we come to another important point: the right timing. Even if you have everything in place, overlooking the proper time to launch your business may put you in jeopardy. Sure, you want to start your business at a time when the economy is healthy and your prospective industry is expanding. But there's also a flow to decision-making that's important to be aware of. Always take the leap when the timing and circumstances suggest it's right. Number 2. Understanding your tax burdens. Starting a business comes along with various legal pointers, and of course, taxes are on the top of the list. If you want to be a successful entrepreneur, you need to be organized with your taxes and fees. There are multiple payments to make, and filing any of them late could result in severe consequences. You have to figure out how much your payroll is going to be in order to make your tax payments timely. The timing can vary depending on your payroll. You also have to figure out if other business taxes, such as city, county, and state, are applicable on your business. The legal roller coaster doesn't end in taxes itself. Starting a business needs to have a solid legal structure in place. This, in fact, will dictate the taxes, paperwork, and your liability as an owner, as well as other legal aspects. Once you have the business plan in place, you will need to create the articles of incorporation, obtain an employer identification number, and apply for necessary licenses, which varies by state and industry. A lot of entrepreneurs often opt to keep a lawyer or a legal team in place before they actually start a business, because after all, no one wants a long and unfortunate legal spectacle that might set them backwards. 1. A realistic budget. The most important thing that you definitely will be needing before starting a business is money. No, do not look at those internet ads that say you can start a business from scratch, because the truth is, you can't. Do you have enough cash to build such a business and survive before the business picks? You need to create a budget to ensure the money flowing into your bank can support your business without a struggle. It might sound discouraging, but a new business can take several years before yielding profits. When you start your own business, you have to pay just about everyone else before you pay yourself. If your business doesn't pay its bills, your business ceases to exist. That means you need to shave your personal budget down to the bare minimum you need in order to survive. Pay off debt, downsize your living space, go car-free if you live in a space with public transportation. Do whatever it takes to need as little as possible to survive. Starting a business with a small capital can be a hurdle to many, but that shouldn't stop you. There are plenty of options that can help you out if you feel like you do not have enough money to start a business. The first and most common place to seek capital is with friends and family. If that is not enough, expand the search to angel investors and venture capitalists. Should these options not provide the amount needed, then apply for business loans through banks and small business associations. But always remember to stick to a budget and not get in huge debts. Debts can bring down your business faster than any other hurdle, and it becomes extremely hard to bounce back. Well, that was the top 5 things that you definitely will be needing before starting a successful business. With all these in place, we are sure that you will soon be the boss that you were dreaming of being. Do let us know in the comment section if there is anything we missed out on. Also, if you loved the video, make sure to hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We will be back very soon.